friends, today I am going to show you how to make chicken burger. First of all, see what are the ingredients. We have to make chicken patty in the very beginning. So I am used for that minced chicken, salt, pepper, cajun spices, English parsley and mustard. You have to take minced chicken first, then add some salt, pepper, cajun spices, finely minced English parsley. Then you have to add mustard. So you have to mix everything all together very well. So I'm going to add a little bit of breadcrumbs to here and mix very well. So we have to divide those chicken balls 180. So today I am dividing these chicken balls up to 150. Standard method is 180 to 200 grams. First of all, you have to add some oil to this polythene and you have to spread all over the place. Then I am going to coat this cutter by using olive oil. Then I am going to place the cutter. Then I'm going to take my chicken patty here. I'm going to press this chicken patty like this. Now, afterwards, I'm going to place the polythene top of that patty. Then I'm going to press again. And I'm going to remove the chicken patty. Okay, my chicken patty was done. You have to add some olive oil to the pan. And you have to shallow fry a little while. You have to place the chicken patty upside down for the further cooking. So I cooked my chicken patty very well. So now I'm going to start to prepare my chicken burger. So I have fresh burger buns. So now I'm going to cut into half. Then I'm going to keep separate. So I prepared already mayo mustard. So I added for this mustard and mayonnaise. So I'm going to add mustard and mayonnaise all together. And I'm going to place my onions, Then I'm going to add my chicken patty. Then I'm going to add the slice of cheese. You can use cheddar cheese. Then you can add some egg. Actually it's a bullseye egg. I already added salt and pepper into this. So I'm going to close the bun. My chicken burger is done. Thanks for watching my video.